All right, y'all, this is going to be a technical analysis update video for Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently trading, talking about the trades I'm in, talking about the levels of support and resistance I'm looking for. But before we get into it, y'all, make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, make sure to share the video on all your social media platforms, including MySpace and all those old school ones, y'all. All right, let's get into it. So Bitcoin is currently printing a juicy green dot on the daily time frame market cipher B. And as y'all know, I have been looking at this bottom here as a potential lower, as a potential higher low. The last time market cipher B looked like this during the uptrend, it was around 40K. And we can see that we almost got a curve VWAP crossing the zero line, just kidding. Got a curve VWAP crossing the zero line, just kidding. And after two or three times, we finally got a massive move to the upside. Right now, this is actually the second time we have printed the green dot. The VWAP is officially crossing over the zero line, and I like the angle of it, guys. Things look pretty dang bullish. And as we can see, we have found support on a very important level, the Fibonacci golden pocket retracement level right here at around 55.4K. Now, I'm currently long from about 55.4K. This is a trade setup that was given in the VIP Discord in advance here, where we were looking down to this exact golden pocket level with a bullish divergence on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, good old bullish divergence on the 4-hour time frame, juicy uneven butt cheeks. And in fact, we did see that. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, we did in fact see very juicy uneven butt cheeks, where as we were putting in a lower low, momentum was making a higher low. Whenever you see this at an important area of support, especially on the 4-hour time frame, guys, this is the time to be building swing long positions. Not financial advice, guys, not financial advice in any way. However, I am building swing long positions here, and I do not expect, I'm not saying we're going to go straight up, right? I could expect this to come lower. I'm just saying right now we have this major area of diagonal resistance above us. We can see this trend line has been respected 1, 2, 3, and we're about to tap into this thing again, right? So this is local resistance. And if we come above this local resistance, this trend line here, which we can look at, guys, as potentially some kind of a descending triangle, which can either break up or break down, okay? Which is why I think we could still see lower prices, right? We could potentially see a breakdown of the triangle. Everyone gets super bearish, and then we get a pump to the upside, right? So I am not saying we're going straight to the moon from here, but here's something that we need to keep in mind. If we pull a fixed range from here to our current day, we can see that if we get above this green trend line, the next major area of resistance is going to be this high volume node around 61,000. And if we come above that, the next major area of resistance for me is going to be the golden pocket around 63, 64. Okay, so these are the areas I am looking at for potential resistance. We have to understand that we cannot get overly bearish or bullish right now, because simply Bitcoin is trading in a range, right? It's just trading in a range. It's easy for us day traders, scalp traders to feel like, we're going to zero and ooh, we're going to the moon. But guys, we have been ranging, okay? So these are things to keep in mind. Where do I think we could possibly come down to if we get another move to the downside? Well, first of all, I'm looking to the 382 fib retracement around 54K. We also have a daily level down here. We also have a previous little range down here of consolidation that we traded for a few days. So that is an area I'm looking at. And honestly, guys, if we start to lose the low 50s, I would kind of expect us to come down into the mid 40s or potentially even lower. Okay, so that's kind of where I am at with the Bitcoin right now. I want to talk about AVAX, guys. I want to talk about AVAX because AVAX is absolutely getting a very juicy bounce out of the golden pocket. And by the way, if you want to learn how to do technical analysis, if you want to learn how I trade, if you want to learn how to find those juicy trade setups so that you can literally long Bitcoin from the bottom and also literally long AVAX right from the bottom, you can go to jasoncaspertrading.com. This course will give you the knowledge and the skills you need to become a confident, profitable trader, where I walk you through step by step the methodical, systematic approach I take to these markets, how I look for trades. Even if you've never looked at a chart before, I will go over everything as to how to read a chart, technical analysis, how to get your levels, how I use Market Cipher to know which direction the market is going to go. Market Cipher is a very powerful indicator, as well as all the trading strategies I personally use, as well as mindset and risk management, so that you don't blow your account. Even if you don't win every trade, even if you lose more trades than you win, there's currently a 33% discount in the description of the video, guys, in honor of Black Friday. Black Friday sale, 33% off. Oh my goodness. So AVAX, guys, absolutely pumping right now. I am indeed long on AVAX. As many of you know, I shorted AVAX right down here because of the confirmations we were getting on Market Cipher B. That was a trade setup that was given in the VIP Discord over here. Let's take a look and see it right here. See, even when we're in a bull market, if you know how to do proper TA, you can capitalize on upward and downward movements, right? Absolutely, you can capitalize on upward and downward movements. We wanted to short AVAX from the zone of resistance right here. We absolutely did do that. And not only was it a zone of resistance, we can see that we shorted the top of the channel that we were respecting, right? And that was a juicy trade. But why long AVAX now? Well, the reason we longed AVAX now is because we came down to not only a Fibonacci golden pocket level, but also the retest of the breaking out of the channel, right? We hit the top of the channel, shorted it down, broke out of the channel, and now longing the retest. And yesterday, actually, I was in fact looking for this exact thing. If you subscribe to my channel, if you like the video, you can get juicy info like this. Check it out, y'all. For AVAX. Now, what would I like to see for AVAX? I would really like to see us come down to this golden pocket and retest the trend line right here. However, it's important to note that we do have this little area of... All right, y'all. So that's what I was looking for. That is what happened. I have compounded my AVAX long, and honestly, things are looking pretty dang bullish for AVAX. We have retested the channel, a very strong support. And, you know, as long as the whole market doesn't crash and, you know, Bitcoin doesn't do anything too crazy, I would not be surprised if we see us come up to a $200 AVAX or even a $258 AVAX. All right. Let's take a look at some other coins real quick, guys. I've been looking at BIT lately. BIT looking pretty good here. Looking like we are finding some support, okay? This is the Bybit coin. And by the way, if you do want to sign up on Bybit, guys, and take these leveraged trades with me, the ones I post in the Discord, or ones you take by yourself, you can click the affiliate link in the description, guys, and get up to a $3,500 bonus if you deposit some certain amount of Bitcoin. Now, let's take a look at BIT because we are clearly getting a bounce from here. This is support. Why are we bouncing from here? We can see we came down perfectly to the Fibonacci golden pocket level. Not only that, but we also retested the value area high of the previous range that we were in. So for me with BIT, I do think that this coin is very, very bullish in the future. And basically, I am looking at two areas for major support. First of all, right here. This is a major area of support. We cannot deny that. We also see that we are getting bullish divergences on the 4-hour time frame. If this VWAP crosses over here, I would not be surprised if we get a significant move to the upside. Now, the juiciest scenario for BIT for me would be if we actually do get a significant bounce here, hit into the Fibonacci golden pocket / point of control, and then get one more move down and bounce off of the lower golden pocket, which would allow us to then hit the point of control of the previous range, and it would also give us something like this on the 4-hour time frame. That may not happen, guys. So, you know, these are just two support levels to be aware of, but we've had some major downside with BIT, and we are finding support. I do not see us coming much lower than $2.25, to be honest with y'all. All right. So, any other coins we could talk about? Let's talk a little bit about Cardano. Cardano also currently getting a bounce from a very significant level. Why is this such a significant level? If we come over to the Cardano USDT pair on Binance over here, we can see that we are getting a bounce off of the Fibonacci golden pocket level right here. Okay, not only is it a Fibonacci golden pocket, but it's also a naked daily point of control. So we have a naked daily point of control right here for Cardano, and we also have a Fibonacci golden pocket. So this is one of the major areas I'm actually looking for support. I'm actually currently long on Cardano from this golden pocket here, hoping to build a swing long. If we come down lower, I potentially would let us come all the way down to this monthly level / point of control at about $1.35. And if we lose $1.35, guys, I'm probably never going to touch Cardano again. But really, this is major support right here. This right here is major support. And although we did have a significant move to the downside with Cardano, I still do remain in my bullish sentiment overall, given the fact that the money flow on the daily time frame is coming up, given the fact that the momentum waves are coming up, guys. We are still getting those bullish divergences, all right? So we'll have to see what happens. We're currently retesting the previous support as resistance. If we get a rejection from here, I will be looking for lower levels. If we continue up from here, I will be looking to compound my current long as we come up and put in lower highs. All right, guys, that is it for today. If you do want to get into the VIP Discord where I post juicy technical analysis updates every single day, as well as potential trade setups, as well as a thriving community of traders in here posting their technical analysis, make sure to go to patreon.com/Jason Casper. Also a 33% discount on the course in the description of the video. Also, Bybit, got Bybit down there. What else do I got? Market Cipher discount, 25% off if you use the code JIMBO. All right, guys, God bless. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.